Alrighty guys, here we go. So we just finished installing this air compressor. Works great. This air compressor is hooked up to an ignition, so it would only turn on when you're running your Jeep. Nice and clean. We still need to get the air hose for it, but that's pretty simple. Just screw it on there, turn it on. You can air out, inflate or deflate your tires, so when you're going off-roading and all that good stuff. All my wiring is ran underneath, so you really can't see any wiring. It's all ran through the grommet. Nice and clean. It's got 240 amp fuses, so it's pretty solid. Overall, I think it should work out great. So if you guys are interested in getting any type of accessories installed, make sure you guys contact us here at D's Garage in the city of Corona. Make sure to stop by the shop and bring the parts that you're looking to get installed, and we can go from there. So this is the adapter that we need to air it out. Put air in it. So yeah, it worked out great. Let's go.